Hello friends, welcome to VDS Tech Lab. Now in this video we'll discuss about very important question related to collection in Java, and that is difference between ArrayList and vector, difference between ArrayList and LinkedList. Okay, so let me brief about list interface. So list interface is nothing but it is a child interface of collection interface, right? And list interface implements class, ArrayList, LinkedList, and vector. Okay, and then let me write in this way. See, just a moment. Okay, so like list implements class like ArrayList, linked list, right? Linked list, and then vector, and vector extends what stack class, right? So this is brief. And list maintain the insertion order. It means we can access the element by using indexed. List allow duplication, right? So these are the main properties of list interface. Right, now let's come on the difference between ArrayList and vector. Right, so just here I'll write ArrayList and vector. Right, so now let's come on one by one. So see, ArrayList is not synchronized, and vector is synchronized, right? This means ArrayList is not thread safe, vector is thread safe. Okay, and if we talk about performance, then it is better than ArrayList is better than vector, just because it is not thread safe, so processing is little faster, and vector is slower than ArrayList. Right, now one more important thing. See, if array size is filled, like it increases by 50% only whenever whatever we have declare the array size, and if it is full, then it increases by 50% only, 50% of its array, 50% of its array size, 50% of its array size, right? But it's doubled of array size, right? So this is the main difference between ArrayList and vector. And one more thing I would say, ArrayList is not a legacy class, right? ArrayList is not a legacy class, not legacy class. So it introduced after 1.0 version after, but vector is a legacy class, as vector is introduced in 1.0 version since initial, I can say, right? So this is about ArrayList and vector. Now if we'll go for ArrayList and LinkedList, so as we had discussed already ArrayList, but few more points I'll discuss. If here ArrayList versus LinkedList, right? ArrayList versus LinkedList. See, the first point I would say, ArrayList uses dynamic array. ArrayList uses dynamic array, whereas LinkedList uses doubly linked list. Right, now next point. Now for the action point of view, for the operation point of view, ArrayList is better to store and fetch the data. I mean, on fetching the data and storing, it is better. So ArrayList is better to store and retrieve the data. ArrayList is better to store and retrieve the data. Whereas linked list is better to manipulate the data. Linked list is better to manipulate the data. Manipulate the data, right? So this is one important difference, right? Now if I'll go another one, right here. So ArrayList provides random access. ArrayList provides random access. Why random access? Because we can retrieve the data based on the index. Random access. That's why it is better to retrieve the data, right? Whereas linked list does not provide random access. Does not provide random access, right? So this is one. And see, so that's why I would say ArrayList is not efficient for manipulate because too much, operation is required too much, right? Manipulation is required here. Whereas for manipulating, linked list is very much efficient, right? So these are the few differences, important differences I would say. ArrayList uses dynamic array, linked list uses doubly linked list. ArrayList is better to store and retrieve the data. Linked list is better to manipulate the data, and ArrayList provides random access, whereas linked list does not provide random access. Right? So these are the main differences between ArrayList and linked list, and ArrayList and vector, and about list interface. Right? Yeah, so that's all in this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.